How to dynamically load a Python class? Given a string of a Python class, for example my_package.my_module.myClass, what is the best possible way to load it? In other words, I am looking for a equivalent class.forName in Java function in Python. It needs to work on Google App Engine. Preferably this would be a function that accepts the FQN of the class as a string, and returns a reference to the class.
From the Python documentation, here's the function you want. The reason a simple _import_ won't work is because any import of anything past the first dot in a package string is an attribute of the module you are importing. Thus, something like this won't work. You'd have to call the above function like so. Or in the case of your example, edit, I was a bit off on this. What you're basically wanting to do is this. The above function is only necessary if you have an empty from list. Thus, the appropriate call would be like this.
If you don't want to roll your own, there is a function available in the pydoc module that does exactly this. The advantage of this approach over the others listed here is that locate will find any Python object of the provided data path, not just an object directly within a module. For example my_package.my_module.myClass.attr. If you're curious what their recipe is, here's the function. It relies on pydoc.safeimport function. Here are the docs for that.
If you're using Django, you can use import_string. Yes, I'm aware OP did not ask for Django, but I ran across this question looking for a Django solution, didn't find one, and put it here for the next boy/gal that looks for it. Keep in mind, if you want to import something that doesn't have a dot, like re or argparse use.